Hey everyone, this is Eric Siu, and today you're going to learn about the ins and outs of LinkedIn advertising and how you can grow your business with it. So without further ado, here's someone from the team.
Thanks, Eric. So today we're going to talk about LinkedIn ads. The real benefit and strength of LinkedIn ads is the B2b targeting. If you have a B2B business or a B2B service product that you're offering, I would highly suggest testing out LinkedIn ads. So we'll start off by talking about the different ad placements that you can do on LinkedIn, and then move into some of the targeting capabilities. The most popular is sponsored content. This ad placement shows up in the news feed of LinkedIn. So there's a few different types of sponsored content that you can do. The traditional link post, which is a 1200 by 628 image, along with a headline and intro text. The carousel ads are fairly new, and they come with square images, similar to Facebook's carousel ads. Another form of sponsored content is lead gen forms. This is actually a lead form that pops up when they click on the ad in the LinkedIn newsfeed. This creates less friction. They don't have to visit your website to fill out a form. It gives you a cheaper cost per lead. We also have dynamic ads, which are a display placement on the right-hand side of the LinkedIn newsfeed. And those are only available if you spend $25K minimum within a quarter. That's an exclusive placement. There's also text ads, which are placed above the LinkedIn newsfeed and also to the right-hand side. We also have sponsored in-mail, which basically you're paying to send messages to people. So it's similar to email marketing. You pay per message. Next, let's talk about targeting. This is where LinkedIn really shines, is it has the best data on job titles, job functions, company industries, company sizes, a lot better than the other channels. So for B2B, this is where LinkedIn is really attractive. You're able to target company name, company industry, company size. If you're trying to target enterprise level customers versus SMBs, for example. Job titles. So job title is probably the most common targeting parameter used on LinkedIn. Job function, job seniority. You can also get into these other targeting parameters here, like schools, gender, age, member skills, so the skills that someone puts on their LinkedIn profile. So a lot of really cool things there. Once you start running your campaign, LinkedIn will give you breakdowns on data, even if you don't choose those targeting parameters, which is really useful if you want to start off broad and then narrow your audience based on which segment is more receptive to your ads. Highly suggest at least testing out LinkedIn ads if you have a B2B company. I would start off with sponsored content and then also text ads. Thanks, back to you, Eric.
All right, so hope you enjoyed that. And if you like more videos like this, just go ahead and hit subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.